class for economics. Now next topic is budget line. So budget line we have to discuss for deciding the consumer equilibrium in the case of ordinal analysis. If you are going through ordinal analysis, two things are very important. First one is indifference curve that we have done, and another one is budget line. Now budget line is the for understanding the budget line, first of all we have to go through the table. By making the table of budget line, I have to take two goods. So in budget line there are two goods. Suppose one is apple and another one is banana, and this is the price. Apple is ₹4 per unit, and banana, the price of banana is ₹2 per unit, and money income we are having ₹20. So here, while giving the definition of budget line, definitely budget line is the showing two goods with given price and given money income which you want to spend on these goods. Fine. So that is a budget line. In budget line, one thing is very important, that you have to spend ₹20 completely. So आपको ₹20 पूरी तरह से ख़त्म करने हैं. ये नहीं कि आप कुछ पैसे अपने पास एज ए सेविंग रख लो. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेल मी द वट मनी इनकम यू वांट टू स्पेंड. सो ₹20 आपको पूरे खर्च करने हैं. सपोज करो यू आर टेकिंग एप्पल, और ये जो आपने बनाना है क्वांटिटी, दिस इज़ द क्वांटिटी एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो क्वांटिटी ऑफ बनानास एप्पल. आप जो ये क्वांटिटी डिसाइड करोगे, एक इंक्रीज़ करेगा एक डिक्रीज़ करेगा. ये नहीं कि कभी इसको इंक्रीज़ कर रहे हो कभी उसको डिक्रीज़ कर रहे हो. तो एक ट्रेंड फॉलो करोगे. नाउ सपोज बनाना इज 0. हाँ, एक बात और, आप एक क्वांटिटी 0 कर सकते हो इसके अंदर, बट इन डिफरेंस कर इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. पर बजट लाइन में आप किसी भी क्वांटिटी को 0 कर सकते हो. ये 0 है तो हाउ मच एप्पल यू हैव टू बाय. अगर आपको ₹20 पूरे खर्च करने हैं, 5 क्वांटिटी. देन सपोज 2 बनानास यू आर बाइंग, सो 2 2s are 4, ₹4 have been spent, and how much apple you can buy, that is 4 4s are 16. Now ₹20 has been spent. In all these cases of combination A, combination B, C, D, E, F, in all these combination ₹20 definitely has been spent over it. और इसके लिए आप क्या इक्वेशन यूज़ करते हो बजट लाइन की? दिस इज़ द इक्वेशन ऑफ बजट लाइन. यू कैन यूज़, व्हाट इज़ दैट, प्राइस ऑफ एप्पल into quantity of apple plus price of banana into quantity of banana. That should be equal to money income. This is the equation of budget line. That question can be asked, what is the equation of budget line? This is the equation of budget line. ठीक, सिंपल क्या कर रहे हो आप, यहाँ पर डिपेंड बता रहे हो कि आपने एप्पल पे कितना खर्च किया, प्राइस को क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करके. यहाँ बता रहे हो बनाना पे कितना खर्चा किया, प्राइस को क्वांटिटी से मल्टीप्लाई करके, प्लस करके आप टोटल मनी इनकम अपनी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो. तो यहाँ पर अगर आपने 5 एप्पल ख़रीदा और ₹4 प्राइस है तो ₹20 खर्च हुए. यहाँ पर 16 हुए, और यहाँ पर कितना खर्च हुआ, 4 हो गए. यहाँ पर मैं नोट डाउन कर रही हूँ कि आपने कितना खर्चा किया. यहाँ आपने ₹16 खर्च किए, यहाँ आपने क्या किए फिर 4, 16 + 4 20 हो गए. उसके बाद ये मैंने रुपीज़ का कॉलम यहाँ बनाया इसके लिए, और यहाँ पर एक और जनरेट किया रुपीज़ का कॉलम. अब ये 4 3s are 12, और ये 4 2s are 8, दोबारा ₹20 खर्च हो रहे हैं. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, ₹20 खर्च हो रहे हैं. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो, एप्पल को डिक्रीज़ कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आपने सपोज करो 5 एप्पल लिया, उसके बाद आप एप्पल को डिक्रीज़ कर रहे हो बिकॉज यू वांट टू परचेज मोर बनाना. आप रिवर्स भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन अब यहाँ पर एप्पल की क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज़ हो रही है और एप्पल की क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज़ हो रही है, और बनाना की क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज़ हो रही है. 4 1 into 4 and 8 2s are 16, and then 20 and then 0. ये 0 परचेज़ कर रहा है. ठीक है. और इन फर्स्ट केस यहाँ पर 20 परचेज़ कर रहा है और यहाँ पर 0 परचेज़ कर रहा है. तो दिस इज़ द amount that has been spent on apple, and this is the amount that has been spent on banana. This is the amount that has been spent on apple. Now the money income is 20, and this is the budget line equation, that is price into quantity of one product plus price into quantity of another, that is banana, is equal to money income. Fine. This is the budget line, means every time you have to spend ₹20. So for the definition of budget line, there are two goods, money and price have been given. Now the every time expenditure should be equal to money income. Fine. So this is the definition of budget line. All these keywords are in the budget line definition. Now come to the definition of budget line. Budget line is a graphical. You have to show it in the graphical way, because the line is a graph basically. I have made the table, now I will make the graph also of all the possible combination. All the possible combination means which you can purchase with this given money income and with this price of two goods which can be purchased with given income and price, definitely. And so in such way that cost of each combination, whatever the cost of these combination, that should be equal to money income of the consumer. This is the definition of budget line. Now we have to show graphically all these things. Now first of all I want to show you budget line set. So this is the set, 5 quantity of apple and 0 banana, फिर 4 quantity of apple then 2 banana. So these are the budget line set. So budget lines I have to make like this. Suppose the question can be asked, 20 rupees is income, 4 rupees of apple and 2 rupees is of banana, then what is the budget line set? You have to make like this, 5 quantity of apple and 0 quantity of banana, 4 quantity of apple, 2 quantity of banana, 3 quantity of apple, then 4 banana, then apple 2 quantity, then 6 banana, then 1 quantity of apple, 8 bananas, then 0 quantity, then 10 bananas. So these are showing the quantities. In budget line set, what you have to show, that you have to show the quantity. Fine, quantity you have to make in this way. Fine. So this is the budget line set. It's not budget set, it is budget line set. मतलब ये budget line के set है. अब budget line बनाते हैं. देखो, for making the budget line, first of all you have to take the x and y axis. For on x axis you have to take the commodity which is gaining. कौन सी गेन कर रही है, कौन सी इंक्रीज हो रही है, बनाना. सो यू हैव टू शो बनाना ऑन एक्स एक्सिस एंड एप्पल ऑन वाई एक्सिस. सो गेनिंग विल बी ऑलवेज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस एंड सेक्रीफाइसिंग विल बी ऑन वाई एक्सिस. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द लाइन. सो यू हैव टू टेक द क्वांटिटी 5 0, दिस इज 0 and then apple is 5. Then next is 2 4, next is 3 4, next is 2 6, 1 8, then 10 0. Likewise you have to draw the line, that is the budget line. Name of the line is BB. BB is the budget line over there. So you have to mention BB is the budget line. That is downward sloping because one is increasing and other is decreasing. You can see, suppose this is the point and then this is the point. In this point you can see that one is there it is decreasing and there it is increasing. So one is decreasing and then other is increasing. So that is the property of budget line, is that is downward sloping first of all, and next thing is one is decreasing. And why downward sloping? Because one quantity of one commodity is decreasing and quantity of one other commodity increasing. So this is the budget line. It is a straight line touching both the axes. So you can show the budget line like this. Fine. What is the slope of budget line? Now for discussing the slope of budget line, that is a technical point. First you have to do, you have to take the price of banana, that is the gaining, ratio price of apple, that is the sacrificing. So the formula is price of gaining, P for price of gaining commodity upon price of sacrificing commodity. So what is the price of gaining? 2, and what is the price of sacrificing? That is apple, 4. So ratio will be 1:2 in all the cases. So ratio is constant. You can also calculate this slope, which is known as the slope. This is the slope of budget line. That is also known as marginal rate of exchange. You can also calculate the slope in the way change in loss upon change in gain. So there is a quantity which has been lost, like which quantity is, which product is losing. Now in this way you can see change in loss upon change in gain. So there are two ways to calculate this slope of budget line. देखो दो तरीके हैं slope of budget line निकालने के. एक आप price of gaining ऊपर रखो और price of sacrificing नीचे रखो, तो आपकी रेशो आ जाएगी. दूसरा चेंज इन लॉस ऑन चेंज इन गेन. इसमें से लॉस कौन सी क्वांटिटी कर रही है, किसकी क्वांटिटी लूज़ कर रही है, एप्पल की, और किसकी क्वांटिटी गेन कर रही है, बनाना की. तो हर एक बार देखो 2 लॉस किया इसने, यहाँ से यहाँ आने में 2 को लूज़ किया और इसने 1, फिर 2 का लॉस हुआ 0.2, इसमें 2 का लॉस हुआ, इसमें फिर 1 का लॉस हुआ. एवरी टाइम देयर इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ 2 एंड गेन ऑफ 1. लॉस ऑफ 2 सॉरी देयर इज़ अ गेन ऑफ 2 एंड लॉस ऑफ 1. gain of 2 and loss of 1. So because apple is sacrificing, so there is a loss of apple by 1 quantity and gain of banana by 2. So the formula is change in loss upon change in gain. So this one is sacrificing 1 and this one is gaining 2. So 1:2. So as you can see, whether you are calculating through the quantity or the price, you will get the answer same, 1:2. That is also known as the marginal rate of exchange. How much quantity of one commodity decreasing for the commodity gaining of other commodity, for the quantity gaining for other commodity, that is marginal rate of exchange. तो ये marginal rate of exchange है. Marginal rate of exchange is the slope of budget line. Or you can also say price ratio. What is the slope of budget line? Price ratio, that is also the slope of budget line. ये slope of budget line होता है जिसमें price of gaining ऊपर, price of sacrificing नीचे होता है. ठीक है. और ये आपका हो गया चेंज इन लॉस अपॉन चेंज इन गेन. अगर आप क्वांटिटी के पॉइंट से बात करोगे तब भी 1:2 आएगा, प्राइस के बात के लिए बात करोगे तब भी 1:2 आएगा, क्योंकि आपको पता है ये जो एप्पल है बनाना से 2 टाइम कॉस्टली है. इसका मतलब आपको अगर एप्पल बनाना से 2 टाइम कॉस्टली है, ठीक, यहाँ पर ये देखो 4 रुपीज़ का, ये 2 रुपीज़ का, इसका मतलब ये ज़्यादा रुपये का. इसका मतलब अगर प्राइस निकालते हो तो तभी क्या निकलता है तुम्हारा 1:2, यानी कि एप्पल बनाना से 2 टाइम्स हैवी है, तो 1:2। और लॉस और गेन की अगर हम बात करें, क्वांटिटी की बात करें, तो देखो क्या हो रहा है, 2 क्वांटिटी गेन कर रही है 1 क्वांटिटी के लॉस पे, क्योंकि बनाना जो है वो 2 क्वांटिटी गेन करेगी, बट ऑब्वियसली बात है 1 क्वांटिटी के लॉस पे, क्योंकि इनकी रेशो प्राइस की इसी तरह से है। तो जब ऐसे निकाल लो चाहे ऐसे निकाल लो, जनरली हम ये वाला इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है, इसको कम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, आप जैसे भी कर सकते हो। प्राइस रेशो इज़ द स्लोप ऑफ बजट लाइन, यू विल मेंशन प्राइस रेशो इज़ द स्लोप ऑफ बजट लाइन। और क्या रखोगे फॉर्मूला, प्राइस ऑफ गेनिंग कमोडिटी अपॉन प्राइस ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसिंग कमोडिटी। मैं प्राइस रेशो पर इतना स्ट्रेस क्यों कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि आगे जब हम कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम में इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो यही फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे। सो दैट इज़ योर स्लोप ऑफ बजट लाइन। Here one more definition is there, that is consumer budget. What is consumer budget? Consumer budget means a real income or purchasing power of the consumer from which he can purchase certain quantities bundle of 2 goods at given price. रियल का मतलब कि उसकी देखो, अगर सपोज करो 2 प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, 2 प्रोडक्ट को, दोनों ही प्रोडक्ट 1-1 रुपये के हैं और उसके पास सपोज करो कंज्यूमर के पास 2 रुपये हैं, तो with this 2 rupees he can purchase 1 unit of both the product. Suppose if the price of one product is decreased, then he can purchase more quantity in this way. So here we are discussing the real income. What is real income? Suppose money income is 20 rupees and pen and pencil, there are 2 products and the price is 5 and 5. So with the 5 he can purchase 2 unit, 10 rupees will be spent. He can purchase 2 unit, 10 rupees will be spent. So 10 rupees will be spent on pen and 10 rupees will be spent on pencil. So 20 rupees will be spent. Suppose now the price of pen decreased by 4 rupees. Now it is rupees 1. 4 रुपये से डिक्रीज़ हो गया ना, पहले 5 था अब 1 रुपये हो गया, तो 4 रुपये से डिक्रीज़ हो गया. Now the price of pen is rupees 1 and now the price of pencil is remain the same, rupees 5. Now he will be able to purchase 3 unit of pencil and here 5 unit of pen. So the quantity has been increased, as you can see there are 2 and 2 earlier, now 5 unit and 3 unit. So quantity has been increased, that means his real income has been increased. So when he will purchase more quantity with the same income, that means his real purchasing power has been increasing. So when you are talking about the real income, that means you are talking about the quantity of the product. Fine. So if the price decrease, then real income of the consumer will be increased. Fine. Now in this way, so consumer budget is basically what happens that real income or the purchasing power will increase of the consumer. Purchasing power can be increased when the price of goods has been decreased, and other way when the money income has been increased. उसकी इनकम बढ़ जाए तो भी purchasing power बढ़ जाएगी, गुड्स के प्राइस कम हो जाए तब भी उसकी purchasing power बढ़ जाएगी. Which he can purchase certain quantity bundle of 2 goods at the given price. That is the consumer budget. That can be but in the case of consumer budget, it is not so that you have to spend whole of the income. You can spend the less of the income also. So this is the definition is there, and now this is the definition of budget line, and here they are showing you the different bundle which they have made, like I have made on my copy. Now this is the graphical presentation. This is the table they have made, same table I made for you, and this is the graphical presentation. These are the unattainable combination, because why? They are not having the money income. This is the attainable combination, but that doesn't lie on the budget line. Budget line is this: all money will be spent. Here the 20 rupees has been taken for money income, and all money income has been spent on budget line. So budget line is the graphical representation of all the bundles of 2 goods which can be purchased with whole spending of money income and given price and given income. Fine. So that is the budget line, and here on the x-axis you have to take the apple because that has been gaining, and here the banana because that has been sacrificing, and these are the budget line set. So you have to now explain the diagram also. You have to say that J to E, all JE, this is the line shows as JE. JE is the budget line which is showing all combination of 2 goods spending whole money income, and showing that all possible combination of 2 goods. Apple and banana, no need to write again and again on x and y axis because that is given very clearly, and all the possible combinations show whole spending of money income. These 2 or 3 lines can relate your explanation with diagram, which is very compulsory, otherwise your marks will be cut. Now I am talking about budget set. Budget set is the set of all possible combination of two goods where a consumer can afford given his income and price in the market. So in the case of budget set, no need to spend whole money income. It might be possible some of the money income is left to be spent. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बजट सेट के केस में पूरा का पूरा 20 रुपया आपका स्पेंड हो रहा है, हो सकता है कुछ पैसा आपका स्पेंड नहीं हो रहा. तो नाउ इन द केस ऑफ बजट सेट एंड बजट line, so what is the difference between budget set and budget line? This is very important question. So in the case of budget set, all possible combinations are there, but the money spent on all possible combination can be less and equal to money income. But in the case of budget line, money spent on all the combination must be always equal to budget line. All the combination of budget set may lie on the budget line or inside the budget line, but all the combination of budget line always lie on the budget line, fine. So this is the difference which is very important. So this is the definition of budget line and budget set. This is the explanation of budget line of this diagram which they have made. So this is the explanation of budget line. Without that explanation you cannot get marks. Now important points regarding budget line, that budget line is downward sloping as one commodity is increasing and other is decreasing. Budget always equal to money income, fine. Budget which costs less than money income, that shows underspending and that lie inside the budget line. These combination which are not involved in the doesn't involve the whole spending of money income, that lie inside the budget line. They are known as budget set. Now the bundle which cost more than the consumer income, they are the unattainable point and they lie outside the budget line. These type of 1 mark question can come to you. This is the expression, algebraical expression of budget line. Formula I have told you, money income is equal to price into quantity of apple and price of banana into quantity of banana. So this is the definition. This is the algebraical expression of budget line. And what is the algebraical expression of budget set? This is the algebraical expression of the budget set. Suppose AB is the product. Here price into quantity of A plus price of B into quantity of B, that can be, money income can be more and equal to that. So this is very important to put. Here you are using these type of expression and here equal. So that this is the expression of budget set and this is the budget line. Now the slope of budget line, as I told you, slope of budget line is equal to unit of banana, means change in the quantity sacrifice and change in the quantity gaining. So this is the definition, and you can also write on price of gaining upon price of sacrificing. Here the slope of budget line is equal to price ratio of two goods. You can write in this way and this way also. Their price ratio is given, that is known as market rate of exchange. So price of gaining upon price of sacrificing is given over there. This is also the slope of budget line. You can take the slope of budget line in both the ways, fine. So price ratio is the price of goods on horizontal x-axis. You can write price of goods gaining divided by price of goods sacrificing, fine. This is the price ratio, that is also the slope of budget line. Why slope of budget line is represented by price ratio? Because the ratio of price is equal to the ratio of the quantity that has been sacrificed to quantity that has been gained for it. This ratio will be same, you can show through the table also. Now the properties of budget line. Budget line is downward sloping, as I told you, but budget line is straight line. Why downward sloping? Because quantity of one commodity sacrificing for another. Now the shift in budget line, that is another point. How can you shift the budget line? If your money income will increase, only then you can shift the budget line. So effect of change in income of the consumer. Suppose the income of the consumer has been increasing or decreasing, then what can be the change in the budget line? Here AB is a budget line. Suppose money income has been increased, so AB line will shift rightward. This line will shift rightward, that arrow is there, rightward. AB line will become A1 B1, shift rightward, and that is the increase in budget line. And when the money income decrease, then AB line will shift leftward, that is A2 B2. You can show with this arrow. Arrow is compulsory to make in this way. And apple is a quantity on x-axis and banana is a quantity on y-axis. You have to write down that AB is a budget line. With the increase in money income, it will shift rightward. Will decrease in income, it will shift leftward. तो आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा कि अगर मनी बढ़ जाएगी, मनी इनकम बढ़ जाएगी, पैसे ज़्यादा आ जाएंगे तो आप ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी परचेज कर पाओगे, पैसे कम आएंगे तो आप कम क्वांटिटी परचेज कर पाओगे. इसको पैरेलल ही इंक्रीज़ करोगे. इट इज़ कंपल्सरी इन द इकोनॉमिक्स टू मेक इट पैरेलल. आप इसको अगली लाइन को इसके पैरेलल ही लोगे. देखो इंक्रीज़ भी पैरेलल हो रहा है, डिक्रीज़ भी पैरेलल हो रहा है. Now the next question is why you are taking the parallel lines, because there is a price ratio is same. Price ratio is same. And you are taking slope of budget line as a price ratio. Price तो सेम है ना दोनों के, तो इस केस में आप इसको पैरेलल इंक्रीज और पैरेलल डिक्रीज करोगे. ठीक है. Now effect of change in price of either of the product, apple or banana. Suppose there is change in the price of both the commodities. Then in this way, if there is चेंज इन द प्राइस ऑफ बोथ द कमोडिटीज़, दोनों कमोडिटी के प्राइस चेंज हो जाते हैं, तब आपका क्या होगा. देखो अगर दोनों कमोडिटी के प्राइस डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे देन आपका कहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, ए बी बजट लाइन शिफ्ट राइटवर्ड. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप ज़्यादा